I'm sure you've heard the news. First impressions count, and your style is the first thing people notice. Did you know it takes just 7 seconds to make a first impression, and your style plays a huge role in that? Today, I'll share some easy yet powerful ways to elevate your daily style, effortlessly. We all have those days where we feel like we have nothing to wear, or our outfits just feel meh. But don't worry. With a few small tweaks, you can go from drab to fab in no time. First up, color coordination. Stick to 3 colors max in an outfit for a polished, effortless look. Less is more, ladies. Next, smart accessories. A structured bag, elegant jewelry, or a trendy belt can transform any outfit. Number 3, the perfect fit matters. Well-fitted clothing always looks more refined and flattering. Baggy is out, tailored is in. Effortless hairstyles are a game changer. A sleek ponytail, soft waves, or a chic bun can instantly upgrade your look. And here's the ultimate trick. Always add a third piece. A blazer, scarf, or statement jacket instantly makes an outfit look stylish and intentional. Elevating your daily style is easier than you think. A few small changes can have a big impact on your confidence and appearance. Which tip was your favorite? Comment below and tell me how you plan to upgrade your daily look. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other fashion tips.